Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this hose, that expanded hose, like this one, that what is inside. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. Now when I open that, can you see that? See, this this is the one. I think you're gonna take it out. Oh, actually, yeah. Let's see, maybe. I can use this screwdriver. No, it's not coming off. Okay, it's came. As you see, like a rubber, like it's inside. This is the inside. Let's take it out more. Let me get this part to cut it. I just want to cut, and there you are. Oh my God, look at this, like a rubber. Yeah, this is the things they put inside, and yeah, but it's not strong, that much strong, and I use this one, as you see. Yeah, it's broken. It somewhere here. It's got a hole, and I with a couple of weeks later, yeah, it's broken. So I just want to know what is inside. As you see, you guys, this is the one, the inside. Maybe you can use something else. Yeah, this is it. Oh, okay, guys. So this is the experiment. We know that what is inside right now. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.